A blessed morning, everyone. For our daily verse, we are now at Genesis chapter 10, verse 1 to 5. Now, these are the generations of sons of Noah, Shem, Ham, and Japheth. And unto them were the sons born after the flood. The sons of Japheth, Gomer, and Magog, and Madai, and Javan, and Tubal, and Meshech, and Tiras. And the sons of Gomer, Ashkenaz, and Riphat, and Togarma. And the sons of Javan, Elisha, and Tarnish, Kittim, and Dudanim. These are these were by this were the isles of Gentiles divided in their lands of everyone after his tongue and after their families in their nations. So after the great flood, Noah's son Japheth became a father to his children, and his children multiplied greatly, and to the point that already became nations. It is said that island nations, they were the descendants of Japheth. So that's the greatness of God, and they were considered during those time as Gentiles because there's no circumcision during that time.